Hello, just wanted to share this science kit with you that I ordered from Toolbox for Teaching. This goes along with the Good and the Beautiful unit studies, and I have the Good and the Beautiful Introduction to Energy science unit study. So I just wanted to give you a quick peek at the science kit that came along with it. So it came in a box outside of this. And then here you'll see it says full refund if the seal is left intact. Obviously I've already opened it. So science kit, Introduction to Energy, included for up to 6 kids. You can see everything that it includes and what is not included. All right, let's open it up. So we've got some Play-Doh, plastic cups, paper liners, and an egg or a ping pong ball. And then dominoes, and a little plastic turtle, some plastic spoons, some Ziploc bags, got this, some popsicle sticks, game pieces. They have different colors of them here. Little toy car. And this bag with yarn, rubber bands, toothpicks, and a birthday cake candle, and some paper plate. And that looks like it's about it. I just wanted to share this with you because I'm one of those people who likes convenience. And when it comes time for planning my science lessons, I just don't want to be running around the house trying to find what I need at the last minute. I don't feel like running out to the store and grabbing things for each unit. Now, it is a little pricey, but you're just paying for the convenience and paying to get your time back. So anyway, just want to share this with you. Hope it helps you out. All right, talk to you later. Bye.